Greetings, everyone. Welcome to today's video, which is the second video of today, the 8th of November 2023, where we are revising 2017 paper 2, question 6. This is computer mathematics. All right. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. Study the flow chart below. This is the flow chart. Okay. This is the flow chart, and we are asked to write the pseudo code of this program. Okay. Then we have 2018 this side. We are given a pseudo code and we are asked to come up with a flow chart. Now, you have to know 4 basic shapes when it comes to pseudocodes and flowcharts. 4 basic shapes. Number 1 is an oval shape or a circle. An oval shape, which is this one. This is used for start, begin, end, or stop. All right? So if you look at this one, there is a stop here. So same shape, which is an oval shape. This one is used for start, begin, stop, or end. The second shape is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a shape whose sides are parallel. That's why it's called what? Parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. This is for enter and display. Okay? Display and enter. Number 3 is this shape, a diamond shape. This shape is called a decision box. This is where a decision is made. Now, I usually call it a condition because there is if in the pseudocode. Something if. If something is greater than something, if yes, you do this. If no, you proceed. That's the thing. That's why it's a decision box. Yes or no. Then last but not the least is a rectangle. A rectangle shape is used for what we call calculations or action box. For calculations, that's where you put your formula in. All right. That's it. So display, remember display or enter, we use a parallelogram. So that's why you've seen here there's display error. Which one must be positive? Error must be positive. So here, error, display error must be positive. All right. So now let's answer this question. Do we have enough space this side? All right, so the first one, of course, is start. So we are going to write start. So this is 2017. So we're going to write start. Remember, when you're writing a pseudocode program or a pseudocode, you use a C shape. This shape, okay? So it's not a C. So you indent, then you come out like this. So this, like this. So start, then here you just write enter error. That's it. So next is enter error, which is radius. Then here, this is the decision box. So you write if. So if error is what? Okay, if error is less than 0, then what do you do? If error is less than 0, if yes, print what? Error. Error must be positive. Okay? Print what? Error or display. Right? Print or what? display, yes, that's right, print, error must be positive. Very good. Is this visible to this side? Okay. Thank you. Error must be what? Positive. Next, we have, if yes, this one. If no, this is where you write else. Okay? Else. Else what? Else we put the formula. Else A is equal to 1 over 2. Yes, multiplied by. So the multiplication sign for in the computer is a star. Multiplied by what? R, another R times okay, sin theta. Okay. Then next is what? Display. Alright. So end if. So end if. Then display what? Display. Is it area? Oh, display area. Which is just air. Display area. Then what? Stop. That's all. That's how you write a pseudocode. A pseudocode is just simple. You don't need the whole week to learn this. You just need a few minutes and someone who can explain nicely and how you use these shapes. So even taking this pseudocode back to flowchart is easy. Just write an oval shape. Enter R is a parallelogram. If R is less than 0, this is the decision box. So you ask, is R less than 0? Question mark. Then this question mark. If yes, print error. R must be positive. So there you just show, and then you put your parallelogram. R must be positive. Error R must be positive. Else, meaning no, down. No, yes.
If R is less 0, the then is always supposed to be in capital letters.
Which one? R?
The then.
Yeah, usually in capital letters, huh? Yes, yes. Yeah, thank you. All right, so that's how you answer a what? Yes, computer. Let's now answer the last one, which is pseudocode to flowchart. Pseudocode to flowchart. Pseudocode to flowchart. So we can erase this part. Where's the dust? Oh. Okay. So here, you can just erase this part. So study the pseudocode below. There is start, enter, R, this, and that, and then there is stop here. Construct a flowchart. Construct a flowchart. Okay, construct. I thought it's not recording. Construct a flowchart. So there is a start here. So the symbol for start is an oval shape. All right, this one. So just write inside here start. Then connector. Next, enter A, R, and N. You use a parallelogram. Okay. All right, like this. So just write enter here. Enter A, comma, R, comma, N. That's it. Then you come here. Oh, there is another one. Oh, there is enter this one. Then you also enter this one, huh? Okay. All right. So you also have another what? A para what? Another parallelogram, because we have two information. Here we have this one, enter this and this. R is equal to 1 minus R, small letter R. No problem, as long as just enter, right? That one. So what the mistake you shouldn't make is putting them in the same parallelogram. Next is, if R is equal to what? 0, then. So what you do here is, there is if, it's a condition. It can either be yes or no. All right? So you use what? A decision box, which is what? A diamond, yes. So you ask yourself, is R what? Equal to 0? Question mark? Question mark. If yes, here, if yes, what happens? Print the value of R is not valid. Okay. So here, the value of what? The value of R is not what? Is not valid. So, para what? Yes. We are not asked to re-enter R. So let's just end there, here. If not, if it's not equal to 0, what happens? Else, right? Else formula. So else meaning we are solving here, so we are going to write a rectangle, which is an action box, and put this formula inside, which is Sn is equal to, is it A multiplied by 1 minus R to the power. Is this how you write to the power n? Okay. Here, or you can just write it here. There's no problem. Okay, let's just write n the way it is in the formula, so that you don't get confused. Divided by capital letter what? R. I don't know, is it visible? This side. Okay, yes, it's visible. And if print Sn. Okay, so and if print Sn, no problem. Print Sn is the same as display sum, which is Sn. So to this, so you make sure you use arrowheads. Okay, so to display or to enter, you use a parallelogram. So here we're just going to write what's they saying here? Printer. Okay, so print Sn. Yes. Print Sn. And stop, Stop. That's it. Any question? So make sure tomorrow you do the right thing. You do the right thing, otherwise this is just a cool 5 marks. All right, so all the best.